Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Balanced Lifestyle. In this episode, I will share a recipe of paya and the nutritious value that are there in a paya. And here is a picture of what is paya. In English, it is known as trotter. Paya is a traditional and nutritious food. The main ingredients of the dish are the trotters of a cow, goat, buffalo, or sheep, cooked with various spices and herbs. Paya or bone broth is high in many different nutrients which may provide some impressive health benefit. For example, it contains high amount of various minerals, the protein collagen. In this episode, I will share how to clean a paya and then how to prepare a basic soup. So first I soak the paya in cold water and then I drain the water. After draining the water, I put these paya in a dish like so. These are well drained and dried paya. These are goat trotter. So once I drain the water and air dried them, then I put them all in a dish and let it dry properly. I pat it dry with tissue paper so that it is completely dry. Thereafter, I sprinkled some white flour. This is all-purpose flour. I sprinkled it all over the paya and let it stay with this flour for almost 15 to 20 minutes. I let the flour dry on the bones on these trotters. After about 15 to 20 minutes, I try to clean these paya. To clean the trotters, we have to scrub the flour out of the bone like so. This process helps to remove the light hair that are still there. Well, the paya that I bought from the butchery was already cleaned. However, I could see some hair in some corners of the bone. Hence, I added the flour and tried to scrub it out. Thereafter, I soak these paya in warm water with some vinegar to remove the smell and also to get rid of any dirt particles. Once I was very sure that these paya are really clean, thereafter I put the payas, in a pressure cooker to boil, and I gave it about 7 whistles. I boiled these paya with some water, black pepper and salt. Once it was completely cooked, and that is after the 7 whistles, I prepared this masala. The ingredients in this masala are loads of ginger, that is about 3 tablespoons of ginger, and some garlic, about 2 tablespoons of garlic, turmeric and fennel seeds. I've given you the pictures of the items that I've included in the masala preparation so that you can get an idea. Fennel seeds, that is saunf. And cardamom is an optional item. Some people do not appreciate cardamoms. However, I added 2 pieces of cardamoms. Then some turmeric. And I let these trotters boil properly till they were tender. Then I blended all the masala and I added to this broth. Once it was fully cooked and the bones were actually coming out of the flesh, that's when I served this soup. This soup is really full of minerals and high in collagen, which is excellent for bones. It is excellent for joints and well-being of our skin. However, I would recommend you eating this soup with cautious. Basically, you should take it as at least once in 2 weeks, and it's recommended to drink it during winter season. However, if given to a sick person, only the broth will make a lot of difference with the well-being of a sick person's health. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share with your family and friends.